I go by the name of G5 like this. She got a nigga like ass fat like walk him down like pack loud like stay dangerous. Call it what you want, Ben Frank. Fuck something. Put your hands on that table, don't break, baby. Do it with no hands, she ain't even gotta touch nothing. I'm tryna make the bitch leave, but she keep coming. Chop it ass, chop it down, yeah, I'm on that. I'll walk them down, make them run that.
I got some 9 tips for you. Did you know that when you went to your choices of your setups, that you could make your own custom setups? Well, let's check that out. We got sport, we got street, we got rain, and my personal favorite, we got the street GP. But if you're in the middle of the city, we got the urban GP too. Oh, but wait, there's more, because guess what we can do at the moment? We can go ahead, go to those themes, let's go down to track mode. Nah, they ain't named track no more. That right there, yeah, we got Sonoma Raceway, we got Laguna Seca, we got Thunder Hill East, and we got Thunder Hill West. You know what I'm saying? My favorite's gonna be Sonoma Raceway. You're welcome for the tip. Ooh, that tail light is sick, ladies and gentlemen, but I got the hazards on just to let you know that you can keep the hazards from happening to your 2025 R9. Let's go ahead and focus in on this dash. And when you hit cruise control button one time, obviously that goes cruise control. If you're not rolling, you can't set it. But did you know that you can set your speed limiter? And on that speed limiter, you can go ahead and set it for a low speed of 31 miles an hour. So if somebody says, hey, your bike is cool, I really want to ride it, you can go ahead and set a maximum speed of 31 miles an hour for them. That's on the low end. That's the slowest it can go. They may not flip your bike up the tree, but they can still low side it. But at least you can pick it up and put fairings on, right? What I'm doing right here is setting the speed limiter. The speed limiter is real quick, real easy to set. So as I take off and I go wrap around, 31 miles an hour being the lowest, you can see me chicken winging it, showing you that I'm cracking the throttle wide open and nothing extra is happening. So once your speed limiter is set, then you can just cruise right up to the speed, and the electronic throttle just pulls everything out. You're basically no longer giving it any throttle, and it holds right at that speed. Real simple, real easy application. So check this out, man. I finally got the homies together and we got on the bike. We had to put some miles on the bike so that we can go ahead and get this thing with the oil change so we can go full throttle. We're just having fun, having a blast with this damn bike. And this is just me and my homies just playing around, riding around Frisco, getting some miles, getting some good miles in, and finally going to locations that I really wanted to get this bike at. So check the ride, check this out. We'll be right back. Hey, look at the big ass seaplane over there taking off. Police. We got a Fiat overheated if you smell that overheated shit. Look at that refreshing ass shit right there. We putting miles on them, man. We putting miles. I don't like making square tires, but this is alright.
Drive to highlighted route.
I left my phone in my pocket.
Yo.
Pretty fucking. I left out a few different pieces. I didn't let.
Huh?
Yeah, I got signal right now. I don't know if it's gonna stay on by the time we get over there.
Yeah, because we're just gonna go back around the hill. Matter of fact, we're gonna go back around that hill there. See them bunkers up there? Yeah, we're gonna end up back over there. And then we'll go to the bottom of the Golden Gate Bridge and then right over.
Bunkers ain't playing. They
No. Yeah, that's what they usually do. Boats come through, you just get the dumping. There's another outlet battery on the other side right there too. Yeah. And then when you come through here, there's
down low.
Yeah, they're down low on both sides. Vegas. The fucking West. I love this, man. This is what I wanted to do on my break-in. This right here. This is what it's all about, baby. Look at this shit. I love this. This is where it's at. Spent so many years wheeling across this shit, like really not appreciating it. This shit hard, nigga. This shit hard. This is the fucking West, baby. Here we go. This is what I do. Oh man.
So we taking Van Ness to the freeway, right?
Yeah, 101. All right, here we go. Every fucking light, man. What did I do?
We ride like that before?
What did I do?
That's him.
What happened?
You doing the New York, you doing...
You ain't gotta say he don't even.
What happened?
You want to hear us tell him. That's right.
No, this isn't a true story.
Don't matter. Don't worry about it.
He said I'm doing the New York.
They call that shit New York. You was listening to some music, you was getting all hyped up.
I was slapping.
Getting all hyped up.
I was slapping. Was your back camera on? He's earned some kickstand time, so we're gonna. Yeah, we've been monitoring kickstand time. He's earned it. I mean, we've ran his nerves up a little bit. So instead of letting him remain an ornery, grumpy old man, we giving him some kickstand time. So we got a Factor KST in the mix. Really like this bike as far as livability. And the reason I'm riding it like this is because I'm probably never gonna ride it like this again. It's gonna be all track pretty much a majority of the time.
Yep.
You looking at my ticket strips?
Yeah. One-on-one.
Man, I really hope that the camera was still rolling. I think I killed a battery coming from way back there all the way over here. So I don't know where it stopped at, but I'm really hoping that you at least got that backside of the Golden Gate Bridge over there. We were over there. So maybe about 30 minutes ago.
It seemed quick.
Yeah.
I need to see my trip meter.
Yeah, because we came from the backside way out there where the fog is. We came across the bridge. We went through this whole ass city here, then came up across that shit there, went up back there, and then we came all the way through and over here. And that's pretty much how quickly you can get through the Bay Area. No, this is probably like 45 minutes because of we caught all them stoplights. So that's what the bike to me is for. I love the torque, the accessible torque that we got right on tap, right off the clutch let out. It's just torque. Oh, yeah. So if you just keep shifting while you're in the city, it's very playful.
It's moving out. It's moving out the city. It's moving out.
Damn.
It's moving out.
For me, all of that riding and all those little shenanigans and fun things that I was doing was just get me a little bit more familiar with it. Quick takeoffs, launches, everything like that. Let me know where the launch engagement is on the clutch and how quick and responsive the throttle is. Like, does it lull down? Does it just hit and then come back up? There's something actually really cool that this bike does when you let the clutch out real slow. You let the clutch out and the bike will add a little bit of throttle, like 500 RPM. Nothing too crazy, but just enough to get the bike some motion. I find that to be really clever. Things like that is what I'm learning. That's why I didn't go and tune the bike or do any modifications just yet, because I wanted to see what the bike was all about initially off jump. How the engineers designed it, how the engineers wanted it to be, ridden, and things that you wanted to experience with the damn bike. What is this? What is this? What is this? Vortex. Oh, look. What is this already? I've been having stuff come in for this bike a lot, but we ain't doing nothing until we break this bike in. I know it doesn't look like it on the GoPro, but we're leaning the bike over. We're having a little bit of fun. Some of that rear facing camera, we didn't get up to pace because OGE was leading, and he was not trying to get no speed going because he was on safety. He's been on safety rider mode forever, but he's on mega safety rider mode right now. But for the most part, man, this thing, great. We'll see what these parts are. I know what these parts are. I actually do know what these parts are. So let me put them on. So I'm gonna get y'all too, and I'm out.
Challenges out there we accept.